Emerson's first taste of cereal.
She ate it.
What do you think? She's eating it.
Yeah, she's eating.
Yummy.
Kyla?
You think she likes it, Charlie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She likes it.
What do you think it tastes like?
I think it tastes like water.
Water?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know.
She likes it.
You like it?
Do you like it?
Mm.
I want you to feed me after Emerson. Was my applesauce.
You want me to feed you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You
You can stop.